What's up, Bread Gang? I'm currently hiding in the poncho.
Hey, what y'all got?
Whoa, I'm about to get hit by a car. Say hello. Hiding in my poncho at Caffeine and Octane because it's raining. Bear with me, the video is gonna get pretty interesting today. It's already, I mean, it's raining. We're just gonna walk around, obviously look at some cars. This is interesting. I'm hiding in a poncho to start a video. That's definitely a first. Yeah.
Put in a parking space, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
That was it.
Good luck finding a parking space now.
Okay, here's the deal. We pull up. Holy crap, first of all. Got my boy Slims with us. We got Alpha. We pull up. They don't let us park where we want to. First of all, we park up front. I'll show you guys where. And then they make us move like 5 minutes into getting here. And then, no offense to whoever you are, but they let him park with all the, this is the show side over here. And then they've got the normal people side over that way. And they let him park over here, but we can't park over here. So, he went to go get his truck and we're gonna see how it goes. So, this is attempt number 1 to park on the show side. This is the normal car side, even though there's still some nice cars over here, and that's the show side over that way. Lifted trucks taking over Caffeine and Octane. That's the goal today. The goal is to make it into the show side. I've deemed that the goal of the video today. So that is what we are going to try and do. I see him. Holy shit, he made it in. What the hell? He made it in. I can't believe it, he made it in. We're on the way, boys. What the hell? I'm on the way. We're going to get it. Really quick, just like that, we went from getting kicked out of our spot, which was actually right here. We had parked right along this strip right here, to being able to park in the show. And we're gonna try and make it before the rain comes. So I told you. Say hello.
What up?
The goal is to infiltrate the show side with the lifted trucks. There's a bunch of Jeeps and shit over there. But we need the trucks over there, man. Make gassers great again. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to grab the trucks on the weak side over here and send it to the show side.
Aw, dang.
Oh man, hello.
What's up?
Yeah, I had to cut right here, and then once I got these upper control arms right there that match the lift, it doesn't scrub. Only scrubs when I have it in reverse. So
Yeah, dude, my hat's off to you. I love the truck.
I appreciate
I'm not even
it.
a Chevy dude. I'd fucking drive this in a heartbeat, man.
That's awesome.
Fucking awesome, man. There you go.
Whoa. Tell me what you guys think of the new Gladiator. Fuel wheels. Got some Baja, what, ATZs? That's not bad. I don't know. When I see them lifted, they look pretty good. Got a couple more over there. They're not bad. The only thing I really wanted to do while I was here was see a Lambo. Now, I have made that happen. It's like an army green. There's a white one and a Viper over there. Viper Central. Look at Viper, 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 Viper. Ferraris. Ooh. Let's go look at the Ferraris. Dang. That's awesome. Freaking Ferraris, man. There's another Lambo, the yellow one. That's your quintessential, typical Lambo. With the yellow, I like it. Definitely like the green better. You aren't gonna believe it. We found Street Speed 717 randomly in Atlanta. Such a beautiful car though. Look at that. We are on the way to try this food truck, and we're gonna look at the Jeeps on the way over there. Ooh. Let's walk down the line real quick. So we got Mojito, Ohio down here. Huge shout out to Ben. Damn, look at this thing. True beadlocks. Jeez, that thing's big. Look at that. I like that though. I like the white one too. That's pretty cool. Rubicons. This is that 4Runner I saw earlier. I do actually really like this. Got the ridge graps on it, red coils, method wheels. I like that. Ooh, that's not bad. Not a bad looking 4Runner.
Catch me eating my bowl.
All right. Restaurant review time. Bill's Grills, that's the name. Bill's Grills.
Food truck.
The grill stuff, food truck. I got some chicken tenders and some tots. First of all, you need to give out more ranch. Other than that, I love it. Great. Don't tell Thomas. That Bojangles, don't tell him. But this is solid. How's the bowl? Hey, keep it down.
Bowl's pretty good. It's cheesy as hell.
Hey, say hi. What's that?
Yeah.
Great water. Great water. What the hell is this thing?
She said Mike has a couple of cars.
What is this contraption? Looks like a mini tow truck on track. That's pretty cool. I know you can. Look at that thing. I know you guys already saw it, but huge shout out to my boy Slims that came out. And again, huge shout out to Alpha Z71. Both of their Instagrams will be in the link in the description below. We definitely took over the show today. I mean, so many cool cars out here today. GTRs, Corvettes, Lambos, Ferraris. So much I've never seen before, and I'm so blessed to have the opportunity. So definitely one that you need to experience one time. So I'll see you guys next time. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. As always, let's get this bread.
Yes, sir.
Bread gang. '15 Rolls-Royce Wraith. Oh no, he's done it. I'm sorry, Joey. Joey, wherever you're at right now, this beat's yours. I'm sorry. Cops kicking us out. Got our cop right up here kicking us out. Man, that's freaking insane. I'm not gonna make eye contact.